Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the online support program. I am Iram Jan from Army Public School KOHAT Junior Section. Here is the tutorial video for first 4-week assignments. The subject is Integrated Studies and the topic is our country. The objectives that we are going to learn are: recognize the map of Pakistan and its neighboring countries, name the provinces of Pakistan and landforms of Pakistan. So here we have map of Pakistan. As you all can see, the provinces and the neighboring countries of Pakistan. So we can see in the map we have 4 provinces: Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab and Sindh. These are the names of 4 provinces of Pakistan. And one more thing is, Pakistan is located in the continent of Asia. We have 7 continents and our country Pakistan is located in the continent Asia. So we have 4 provinces and the neighboring countries of Pakistan are Afghanistan, Iran, India and China. So in Pakistan we have different landforms. These are various landforms as you all can see in these pictures. The landforms are deserts, plains, valleys, forests, rivers and mountains. All of you can see in the pictures. First picture is forest, the second one is valley, then we have mountains, plains, river and desert. So crops and fruits of Pakistan. Pakistan has some main crops and some fruits, famous fruits that grow in Pakistan. Our main crops are wheat, rice, maize and sugarcane. And our main fruits are apricots, apples, bananas, grapes, mangoes, dates and almonds. All these are famous fruits of Pakistan. Okay, now there is a small activity. Do you know that Islamabad was made the capital city of Pakistan on 14th August 1967. Capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad, but it was made capital city on which date? On 14th August 1967. And Karachi was the first capital of Pakistan. First, before Islamabad, Karachi was the first capital of Pakistan. And now Karachi is the capital of our Sindh province. There are 5 rivers in Pakistan and all the 5 rivers are in Punjab. So Punjab is known as the land of 5 rivers. The names of the rivers are Sutlej, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. And one another important thing is, Quetta is the capital city of Pakistan. Okay, so the subtopic we have is heroes of Pakistan. Heroes that struggled for making Pakistan. There are many heroes who worked day and night the leaders who make struggle for making Pakistan. There are many leaders who worked very hard. Among them, Quaid-e-Azam is the most famous one. Quaid-e-Azam was born on 25th December 1876. He studied from England. He worked day and night to get an independent state. Hindus were making difficulties for Muslims. So Quaid-e-Azam was the man who thought that Muslims and Hindus cannot live together. He is known as the father of nation. He told the students to work, and only work. He told them the success of our achievement will be depend on unity, faith, and discipline. Unity means living together. We should help each other. We should live as a nation, as a united nation. Faith, to believe in ourselves and our abilities. Discipline, to obey the rules in our schools and in our homes as well. It was later adopted as the motto of Pakistan. Motto of Pakistan, motto Nara. He passed away on 11 September 1948. He is buried in Karachi. The second hero is Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal was born on 9th November 1877. He believed that Hindus and Muslims should have two separate nations. He also thinks that Muslim and Hindus can't live together. They have separate religion, they have separate languages, separate customs, each and everything is different. So they can't live together. So this is called two-nation theory. The two nations, the Muslim and Hindus. Allama Iqbal wrote many poems, so he is our national poet. His famous poems are Bange Dara, Bali Jibril. The books he wrote are very famous, and the young ones get inspirations from his poetry. He died on 21st April 1938. He is buried in Lahore. So home assignment, students, you have to answer the question that what is the motto of Pakistan? And the second one is, who is the father of the nation? Thank you.